Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make balance sheet format, full guide. Start by listing assets, liabilities, and equity in separate sections. Describe each line item with concise labels and classify items as current or non-current. Subtotal groups and show totals clearly so the equation balances precisely. Choose consistent ordering, align numbers on the right, and use commas for thousands. Review formulas and verify totals before sharing the final report. Organize the balance sheet into three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity with clear separation. Begin with current assets like cash, receivables, and inventory, then add long-term assets such as property and equipment. On the liability side, list current obligations like payables and short-term debt first, then long-term notes. Finish with equity details, showing capital contributions and retained earnings, and ensure totals reconcile across all sections. Keep formatting clean and consistent so users can read numbers fast and trust the results. Right-align amounts and use 2 decimal places for precision unless rounding is appropriate. Emphasize subtotals and grand totals with bold text or separators, and label columns with the reporting date. Add brief notes for significant estimates or unusual transactions so reviewers understand assumptions and can audit the numbers efficiently without confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.